Hey guys, welcome back to another Cold Culture automotive video, and guess I got a surprise from Roush. So guys, let's just crack this thing open and see what's inside. I'm sorry if it's a little echoey. The place where I'm doing this is where I have to do this, and I'm gonna see if I can get it out in the editing, but if I can't, I'm very sorry. So, let's open it up. Knife down, it'd be embarrassing if I stab myself during a YouTube video. There's your little sticker to put on it. That's 50 state legal right on the top. That's pretty cool. I think that's what that is. I'm sorry, that might be loud and echoey as well. So when you open up the box, the first thing you're gonna see is your intake tubing right here. And I'll go ahead and I'll set that up front here so maybe you guys can see it, maybe you can't, I don't know. Second thing you're gonna see is your big air box. So this is where the filter is going to sit and where all the tubing connects. I'll try to set that maybe somewhere where you can see it as well. Never done an unboxing video before, so hopefully this looks okay. Here's the air filter itself. Really nice, it says Roush on it. It's pretty cool. Looks like another coupling tubing part, probably where the air filter clips on inside the air box right here. If I were to guess, here are some of the wiring harnesses and adapters that I'll need. And then here's all the tubing and clamps. And then there's kind of this big old thing at the bottom. Something from Roush. What is this, I wonder? I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure that's everything we need. So that's everything out of the box. Now let's talk about these components. So now that we got everything out of the box, and now that my fat ass is squeezed behind this table, let's talk about everything that's right here on the table. So the first thing I want to talk about is the airbox itself. I'm going to be talking more about quality, functionality, and everything like that. That's going to come in the review video. This is an unboxing. Mostly just showing you what you get in the box. Now, everything here is plastic. I'm not sure how I love it. I'm not sure if I hate it. I know it keeps the heat out a little bit better than most other metal products, but actually it's very thick, feels pretty good quality to me. You got your screw down points in there, and then I believe I have to even cut holes like right here somewhere, but again, that's for like the install video. We have the lid, which is a really cool part here. The lid actually has this like felt kind of scratchy part right here. Well, what this is it absorbs all the moisture when it's inside the air box, keeping out all the moisture as best as it can, of course. It's not gonna be 100%, but basically what these packs are, they are the same thing that come in shoe boxes. Like that's the only thing I can think of that they come in. I know they come in a lot of stuff, but the only thing that comes to mind right now is like shoe boxes. I remember when I was little seeing them, like, what are these for? That's really nice, a nice little touch from Roush. So this is the tubing that connects to the air filter itself, like so. It's also gonna go inside the air box and hold the air filter. Let's talk about this air filter for a second. It's really nice. I mean, I don't do oil filters. They're too much work for me and they're not very good for off-roading. But like this, I don't wanna take anything out because I don't wanna mess anything up before the install video, so stay tuned for that. But it says Roush right there on it. Of course, it's kind of like Roush red, and with that clear box right there, you're gonna be able to see it inside and see if it's dirty or not. It's actually pretty hefty, not in a bad way, like it's hefty in a feels like very good quality way. That makes me pretty satisfied. Again, the tubing that's gonna go to, will connect all this to the rest of the engine. It's again, just like scratchy plastic, kind of textured plastic. Looks pretty high quality to me. Again, man, I would prefer metal just because I think one, it looks cleaner, and two, it's just a little bit nicer. Obviously, when it comes to plastic, I don't have any evidence showing this, but when it comes to plastic, you just feel like it's gonna break. I don't feel like this one's gonna break. It feels, I can't even, let's see there. I can't really even squeeze the like inlets and outlets of this one, so it's pretty thick. And again, I know plastic holds out the heat slightly better than most metals do. This right here is going to be all your connectors and all the clamps you need. From what I can see, this is a very simple install, but again, stay tuned for the install video. You will be seeing that soon. Again, it's just an unboxing video, but these look very nice. Stiff rubber, high quality. You guys know Roush. Roush is a big name company. They're not going to send out crap. At least I hope they wouldn't send out crap. This looks very nice again. More details, I guess, on the quality of these things in the review and in the install. Here is a harness and another connector right here. Looks like because it's so big, you probably need to extend your current air sensor connector a little bit, so pretty cool and a good little attention to detail. Now, what came in Roush's little goodie bag? Let's see here. Roush warranty, join the crew, win an Amazon gift card. The installation and manual is available on the website. That's what comes on this little card right here. I'm guessing these are stickers. Yes, white Roush stickers right here. Like matte white. That's cool. Do they go on the airbox somewhere? I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen them on the airbox. Maybe once for the airbox and once for like the outside of your vehicle to rep the brand. Again, I was right. This was the sticker that goes on the airbox to show what it is for one thing, and to give like, it's basically like the serial number in case any of the components break. You'll be able to order other ones. So you just slap this on the airbox. That way you have it for later. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this unboxing video. Not a very long video, but I figure a lot of people ordering things like me probably just want to see at least what comes in the box before they order it. So here is a video detailing that. Again, I'm going to be installing this on a 3.5 hybrid Powerboost 2022 F-150. So stay tuned for the install video and stay tuned for the review video afterwards and see what effect this really does have on the F-150. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, please consider subscribing, commenting. I always respond to people who comment in the comment section below. And hey, share this to somebody. If somebody in your life is looking to get a Roush, share it to them, let them know what comes in the box. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.